Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Ed Sheeran here, and he released some songs here from his album here, and this one is Overpass Graffiti. I thought we should do some tutorials here of a couple of his songs here, so this one will be the first one. Overpass Graffiti, pretty easy to play here, couple chords you need to learn, otherwise nothing extra hard at all in this song. So yeah, let's start. We don't need any capo for this one, but we have 6 different chords to handle. So let's start first with this A minor. So that is the open A, the second D, the second G, first B, and open E. Next will be the G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have F major 7. So that is third on the D string, second on G, first B, and open E. Then we have the full F chord here. So you bar all strings now on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next is C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have D minor. So D minor is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And those are the 6 chords. And we need to learn a strumming pattern here that will work for this entire song. So if we illustrate it with an A minor, that will be the first chord for this song here. So the strumming will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So that is like this. That was one strumming round. Down, down, up, down, up. So if we hit a couple of rounds, it will sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So that is the strumming here. So now we can start with the song here, and we have this intro here. The intro is built on A minor, G, and F major 7. Okay, so you will play 6 rounds. With that I mean the strumming rounds of A minor, then 2 rounds of G, and 4 rounds of F major 7. So 6, 2, and 4. A minor, G, F major 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and G, 1, 2, and F major 7, 2, 3, 4, and that's the intro. Alright, now the actual song here starts with the first verse. This one is A minor to G to F major 7, so still the same chords there, but you will play 2 rounds of A minor, 2 rounds of G, and 4 rounds of F major 7. That is 1 chord progression for the verse, and you will play that for 2 rounds, 2 chord progression rounds. So sounds like this: A minor, 2, then G, 2, and now F major 7, 2, 3, and 4, and another round: A minor, G, G, and F major 7. 4 times. Okay, so that is the first verse. right, now the pre-chorus starts in the lyrics, the photographs and sepia tones. So you will start here with G, 3 rounds. Then you go to A minor, 1 round. And to F major 7, 4 rounds. Okay. So we have this for another round then. G again, 3 rounds. A minor 1 time. And then F major 7, 2 times only. So for the second round, F major 7, 2 rounds, and then you just end with 1 down on the G. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through these parts. We do it, yeah, we're gonna go through it right now. So I'm gonna speak while we're playing. So let's go with G first, 3 rounds. G, then A minor 7, and F major 7, 4 rounds. 3, 4, and another G. 3 rounds, 2, 3, A minor, F major 7, 2 rounds, and G, 1 down. That is the pre-chorus. Now that leads us to the chorus, and in lyrics, I will always love you for what it's worth. So this one is C, 2 rounds, G, 2 rounds, then D minor, you can say 1.5 round almost. What by that I mean, you're gonna play 1 full round, and on the second round you're gonna play the down, down, up, up. So the down, down, up, up, and after that you go right away to the C and just play 1 down. So the D minor and C will make up for 2 rounds, you can say. So you're gonna split it up almost 2 rounds on D minor. You play 1 round plus down, down, up, up, and 1 down on C. And then you jump immediately to the F and play 2 rounds. So C 2 rounds, G 2 rounds, D minor 1.5, then just 1 down on C, and then 2 rounds of F. That is 1 chord progression. You will play it for 2 rounds, and then it ends with 4 rounds of G. And that is the chorus. So I'm gonna take you through this one, so let's go. I'm gonna play a little bit slower since we have more switches here between chords here. So I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit. So let's go with C, 2 rounds first. Then G, 2 rounds. Then D minor. F, 2 rounds. Again, C, C, G, G, then D minor, down, down, up, down, F, 2, and now 4 rounds of G. Yeah. So the challenging part here is the switch here between D minor and C, and we just take a couple seconds to just nail that part here. So you're gonna play here the D minor 1 full round, down, up, up, down, up, and on the second round, down, down, up, up, and then you play 1 down on C. So that's just a stepping stone to the next chord, the F, 2 rounds. So again, I'm gonna play that really slow for you now without speaking here, so you can really listen and see what I'm doing here. So let's go. That's the part you perhaps need to look at for a little extra on there, but it's pretty easy. If you understand the strumming here, it will come pretty logic in the strumming pattern here. So yeah, after this one, it's not that much new to it. We have this post-chorus right after this chorus, and that will be in the lyrics where it just sings ooh, ooh, ooh. And you're gonna play 2 rounds of A minor, 2 rounds of G, and 4 rounds of F major 7. So A minor, G, G, and F major 7 4 rounds, 2, 3, and 4. Now starts the next verse here, the second verse, and it's played in the same way as the first verse, and the same goes with the next pre-chorus and even the next chorus. It's played in the same way as the previous pre-chorus and choruses. And then we have also final post-chorus. We just looked at that, A minor G and F major 7. It's played in the same way, only difference here is that you're gonna play it for 2 chord progression rounds instead of 1 that we just played. And then it ends on a final chorus, and the first part of it, the first 2 chords, which means the C and G, it's just a vocal part here where it just sings, and you jump right into the strumming with the D minor, and then it goes on in the same way as the other choruses. And after that it just ends with this post-chorus again for another 2 rounds, A minor, G and F major 7 for 2 rounds. And that is how this cool song from Ed Sheeran, Overpass Graffiti, ends. So we're gonna cover a couple of more songs from Ed Sheeran now on this channel. So all you Ed Sheeran fans, watch out here for these tutorials. Great songs are coming here. So see you soon, and if you appreciate my work here, please let me know there. Thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.